What's up everyone, it's Kathir. We're diving into the world of Tesla, a company pushing the boundaries of technology. From how these cars are powered to how they think, we're covering it all. Let's get started. First up, the heart of every Tesla electric propulsion. Forget gas stations, these cars run purely on electricity. Instant torque, silent rides, and zero emissions. Tesla's electric motors are incredibly efficient, maximizing range from every charge. Plus, with fewer moving parts, maintenance is a breeze. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse, the batteries. Tesla uses high-energy density lithium-ion batteries, achieving impressive ranges. Their battery management system maximizes lifespan so you don't worry about quick degradation. It's all about capacity and efficiency. Here's where things get clever. With regenerative braking, Tesla cars capture energy while slowing down. This energy feeds back into the battery, extending your range. It's efficient and reduces brake wear. Now let's talk about Autopilot. It's a suite of advanced driver assistance features that can steer, accelerate, and brake automatically. But remember, it's crucial to stay alert and be ready to take control. Taking things further is Tesla's Full Self-Driving capability, or FSD. This system aims to navigate city streets, handle intersections, and even park itself. FSD is still under development, but progress is remarkable. It's constantly refined through over-the-air updates. Speaking of updates, let's talk about over-the-air updates. Imagine waking up to new features, improved performance, and bug fixes, all downloaded wirelessly. No more trips to the dealership for software upgrades. Tesla keeps you at the cutting edge of technology. To build these cars, Tesla needs incredible factories, Gigafactories. These facilities streamline manufacturing from battery production to final assembly. They control quality and reduce costs, making EVs more accessible. Long road trips? Not a problem with Tesla's Supercharger Network. These fast charging stations are strategically located, making recharging quick and easy. With V3 superchargers, you can add up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Hold on tight for the Model S Plaid, Tesla's performance beast. With a tri-motor setup delivering over 1,000 horsepower, it goes from 0 to 60 in just over 2 seconds. Advanced torque vectoring and all-wheel drive give you mind-blowing acceleration and handling. Tesla's heat pump system is efficient, using less energy to keep you warm in winter. Tesla's ambitions go beyond cars with Tesla Energy. Their Powerwall stores energy from solar panels, providing backup power and reducing grid reliance. For larger applications, there's the Power Pack for businesses and utilities. Tesla's BioWeapon defense mode features a HEPA filtration system, removing up to 99.97% of airborne particles. It ensures you and your passengers breathe the cleanest air possible. Tesla cars feature a minimalist design with a massive touchscreen display. This command center gives you control over everything from climate to navigation. Tesla's advanced driver visualization system uses cameras to provide a comprehensive view of your surroundings. It helps you see potential hazards before they enter your vision. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road. Tesla's V3 superchargers offer even faster charging speeds. With a peak rate of 250 kilowatts, you can add up to 75 miles of range in just 5 minutes. That's enough time to grab a coffee and be on your way. Tesla's augmented reality navigation overlays instructions onto the live view from your car's cameras. It provides an intuitive and informative driving experience. It's like having a co-pilot guiding you every step of the way. With Sentry Mode, your Tesla monitors the surrounding area, recording any suspicious activity. If it detects a threat, it'll sound the alarm, flashlights, and notify you. It's like having a 24/7 security guard for your Tesla. With Smart Summon, your Tesla can come to you even in tight parking spaces. Imagine your Tesla sending energy back to the grid, stabilizing it and powering your home. That's the potential of vehicle-to-grid technology, or V2G. Tesla's working on implementing this technology for a sustainable energy ecosystem. Tesla's cabin camera monitors driver attentiveness and enhances security. It records footage inside the cabin in case of an accident or theft. It's an extra layer of safety and security. And there you have it, the top 20 advanced technologies in Tesla cars. From electric propulsion to full self-driving, Tesla is at the forefront of innovation. If you enjoyed this deep dive, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech explorations. Thanks for watching.